How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and move into Settings and Privacy. Head over to Settings. Once again scroll down and inside Preferences, move into Navigation bar. Click on Customize the bar. Over here you can see the marketplace is hidden, so it is not being available to you. In this case, what you want to do is click on this little down icon beside the marketplace and then click on Pin. There you go, at the bottom you can see the option of marketplace, which means that now the marketplace is available to you in the Facebook. But if it still doesn't work, then what you want to do is go back and head over to Help and Support. Move into Report a Problem. Click on Continue to report. You need to select Marketplace. In this section, what you want to do is enter the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. You simply need to write that the marketplace option is not available. Please help me get this feature on my Facebook. Once you have written, click on Send at the top right corner. Now within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix your marketplace is not available on Facebook. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.